Button teaching in shutdown state. Long press the switch for 6 seconds. Turn the switch to select the desired temperature unit. Short press the switch to start the machine. Turn the display semi-cycle to the left. Enter the countdown setting mode after a beep sound. Turn the switch to the right to increase the time. Turn the switch to the left to reduce the time. Turn the display semi-cycle to the right. Enter the temperature setting mode after a beep sound. Turn the switch to the right to increase the temperature. Turn the switch to the left to reduce the temperature. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to shut down the machine.